3.2 and 1.1.2. If the radial handrails look like it would provide a cleaner and a more convenient routing, just tell us. We can if that works better for you guys. I think there's a radial handrail right there between those two on node 1.
Yeah, 132 doesn't really make sense to me, at least not for this one, because 132 is pointing forward, and the angle of the connector is going aft.
Oh, yes. Okay. Maybe 1.4. I think that radial handrail is 1.4.3. If you think that'll work a little bit better, you might do 1.4.3 and then 1.1.2.
I think what we would do is we have to have a place for the coil, right?
And that's going to be on node 3. I think we'll put the coil on node 3.
And so I think the coil, a good place is 0681. And then if we were to come straight across to handrail 0128.
What do you think about something like this? Well, here. Rather there. This is 112. I think that looks reasonable. What do you think?
I think I was trying to use the handrails that were along the circumference instead of on the end cone. So you got 0128, which I've put it behind up here. And then if we come to where you're at.
That's true, if you can avoid the circumference.
So that keeps us off of the...
that's probably enough. We don't need the...
Yeah. So if we just did a single one here on 0128.
Yep. Yeah, I agree, that would be...
the only question we have, Drew, is the clocking of this cable. With the way the connector's got an L90 on the end of it, we probably want to secure it one more place kind of close to itself.
Yeah, and that's kind of an artifact of the relocation, because originally the cables were coming from a different direction. So now that we've got the node 3 location changed, you've got to make that kind of bend in the.
Okay. Is there still a on orbit installed handrail just further nadir of the one that is in place for the ammonia lines?
I've been good enough if you go to this one. What's the number now? Oh, this is the same as where you have the QD lines later.
Yep.
Yeah, you should be on. You should have the QD bracket in the location where it'd be 0111, and for the one that's closer into the pedals. Is that the one you're asking about?
Correct. Is that handrail still installed?
I don't know. I'll check on that.
If it is installed, we could tie it off there.
You mean here, where it's kind of empty right now?
Yeah, right here. There should be a handrail.
Right. Yeah, I agree. That would be.
And then we can put it between there and handrail 0128, and they can both go to that handrail, and it would clear the translation path.
Yeah, the handrail that you see there, closer into the pedals, is not there. I think we just used that as a stowage location for the handrail we pulled off from 111. So that's actually not a real. We probably should have that pulled out of there.
Okay. And so what's that handrail that you're holding on to there, Krister?
112.
112. So use that wire tie there on 112, kind of down on that end of the standoff where it's at.
Let's see. Oh, if you go like that, that's a little bit of a sharp angle at the connector. Well, you can. I don't know if we need 112. Can we use the end of the handrail where we have the QDs later?
No, they really don't want us to put those cables in the same place where we're going to have the fluid lines routing.
Well, maybe we need to go here then anyhow.
And EV1 ECS, your cooling is at 70 GPH.
Thank you, ECS.
TD video audio is leaving NBL.
Thank you. TC, this is TD.